Arey, I'm a very big flop actor. My no film runs. Nobody should cast me in any movie. I've given 2 films as a very big disaster recently. One Bombay Velvet and the other one was called Welcome to New York. I'm a very big flop actor, so I should not be taken at all. No viability with me. Shandar, I acted in that also. हाँ चलो. As cameos, तो I've still, but as cameo, तो I gave दिल वाले दुल्हन ले जाएंगे. I'm only going by that. I'm begging.
Well, the best way out is the actor himself becomes a producer. Okay? So you don't have to, because you don't have to charge yourself.
And the producers become an actor.
So वो देखिए आज वेलवेट के कपड़े पहन के आए इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप एक्टर नहीं है.
अरे क्या जले पे नमक छिड़क रहे हो यार.
मैंने जले पे नमक, तूने ही मेरे को कुछ बोलने पे मजबूर किया. मैं चुप बैठा हुआ था.
मैं तो वही करता हूँ, ये मेरा काम है. मैं आपका बीवी का बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऐसे ही नहीं हूँ.
आपने मुझ में खामी क्या देखी कि आपने ये सवाल किया?
आपने बहुत
दिख नहीं रहा इतना सेक्सी सा आदमी हूँ, कोई भी कास्ट करेगा मुझे.
उन्होंने आपके बारे में, बैंड्रा के बारे में बताया. आप पूरे बॉम्बे, पूरे इंडिया में सेक्सी हैं, लेकिन आपने काम बड़ा अच्छा किया था.
Karan, of course, has been my personal mentor. You know, I've done my 3rd film in his production, and he's always been great to me. And in this film, he had to play my mentor. तो पहले 2 दिन तो मुझे हंसी आती थी जब करण कोई बड़ा डायलॉग सा बोलता था. You know, with his mustache and this look, and he's trying to be all this menacing and all that. मुझे याद है एक सीन था जहाँ मुझे करण को गाड़ी के शीशे पे दबाना था. तो करण बहुत चार्ज हो गया. And he said, तू मुझे दबा, like go for it. You know, I don't care. नहीं, not in that way. वो type of दबाने. तो मैंने जो दबाया करण को गाड़ी के शीशे पर, उसको लगने लगा. बट ही बिकेम सच अ मेथड एक्टर कि ही जस्ट सेड नहीं यू गो फॉर इट, तू दबाते जा. Eventually जब पैकअप हुआ रात को, he had a migraine and he had to take like things because his head started hurting. But he was wonderful to work with.
अच्छी तरह नहीं दबाया. ठीक तरह दबाया होता ना तो फिर लगता नहीं.
I thought you were saying you're 44. You don't look 44, but you used to.
No. See, I don't believe in the politics of hatred. I believe affection has a much more charming virtue.
I have 3 words to ask. Who are you?
Kangana.
Really? Then I'm going to run out of here. You want me to act in the South?
I was asking,
I haven't
yeah.
managed to make a successful debut here. Where they'll take me there? I've done 2 flop films here. I'm a very big flop actor, I want to tell you. Nobody should ask me to act in their movies. I'm not lucky.
You can have as much dessert as you want, mister.
Why has this become about me? Tighten your pajamas and read now.
We're doing tucked together. I'll be your Ras Malai. Okay. Karan, control yourself, man.
No, मुझे पागल कुत्ते ने नहीं काटा कि मैं खुद को लूं फिल्म में. वो उसको काटा था, उसने ले लिया. मैं खुद को क्यों लूं? I can't be my own liability. अगर किसी और को भी पैसे लगाने मुझ पे वो लगा सकते हैं, मैं कर लूंगा. अभी तक एक ही आया था. नहीं, मैं बात नहीं करूंगा उसके बारे में. वो करना नहीं चाहिए. लेकिन I'm open to offers, of course. I'm open otherwise also. But I'm open to offers. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा इस स्टेज के माध्यम से, अगर आप लिखोगे प्लीज करण जौहर would like to get supporting roles, क्योंकि मुझे कोई डिल्यूजन नहीं अपने आप के कि मैं कोई लीड रोल कर सकता हूँ. बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकता हूँ. अच्छे कैरेक्टर रोल्स अगर मिल जाएंगे तो आई थिंक अच्छे खास के पैसे मिल सकते हैं. 11 रुपए से ज्यादा तो मिलेंगे फॉर श्योर. मैं नहीं लूंगा अनुराग को.
क्यों?
नहीं, मैं गुड लुकिंग एक्टर्स को लेता हूँ. मैं अनुराग को क्या लेके क्या कर लूंगा?
पिक्चर नहीं बनाते.
मैं पागल हूँ. हम एक दूसरे को I was going to say something worse. I don't know मेरा क्या हो गया. मैं कुछ भी कहूँ कोई और मतलब निकलता है. लेकिन नहीं, मैं अनुराग को, वो मेरे टाइप का कास्टिंग है ही नहीं. बिल्कुल नहीं लूँ. मैं ऐसी पिक्चर बनाऊंगा नहीं जिसमें अनुराग फिट हो. अनुराग को कभी न्यूयॉर्क में इमेजिन किया है? वो गैंग्स ऑफ वसीपुर, वो या तो गांव में चला जाता है या 60s में. वो अब्रॉड में फिल्में नहीं शूट करती अनुराग को. सॉरी. Morning, Malaika. Oh my God. Back to camera and all. Hello. How are you, Beyonce 2.0 ka attack version?
Out of here. Get lost.
Toodles. Oh.
एक मिनट.
What happened?
My God, Karan.
Oh my God, why are you wearing these glasses?
चमकीले कपड़े पहनकर आए हो तुम, कैबरे तो नहीं करने वाले. I can't look at you, चक्कर आ रहे मुझे.
Oh God, but don't you know shine is in, sequence is in, glitter is in. I mean, you know it's all in, right?
Everything is in, but you're out. Let me tell you.
Oh God.
You're looking like a पुराने जमाने की कैबरे डांसर in this, and ये फटी हुई जीन्स फिर पहन लिया तुमने.
But I don't know. I don't even want to start about what you're looking like currently. I just want to tell you, you look like
gorgeous.
Well, I was going to say something meaner, but I'll be kind to you. So toodles. A quick word for the glamorous Malaika. Oh my God, look at that.
मैं बकवास हूँ.
नहीं,
वो
you're not.
glamorous है, मैं बकवास हूँ, हैं? और तू ये जो इतने गंदे कपड़े पहनकर आता है.
No, I can't. I don't do carbohydrates. No, I can't do carbohydrates. Don't fit into my sherwani today. I can't.
We're eating it as we speak.
No, I can't. Please don't do this to me. Please. Carbohydrates drive me crazy. Just don't do this. Please don't do this to me. Please, I beg you, stay away from me. No, I can't. I don't do carbohydrates. No, I can't do carbohydrates. Don't fit into my sherwani today. I can't.
We're eating it as we speak.
No, I can't. Please don't do this to me. Please. Carbohydrates drive me crazy. Just don't do this. Please don't do this to me. Please, I beg you, stay away from me.
Karan, will you say that Lust Stories will have the power and lust to overpower Salman Khan's Race 3 on June 15th?
I mean, you're serious. Was that like a serious question, sir? I really need to know that.
What's your
if it's
response?
a funny question, you deserve the laughter that surrounds you. Because otherwise, it's just of course not. Salman Khan is on a different platform. He is the big master of mainstream cinema. Race is going to be a humongous film. It's a franchise film. It's a totally different film with a totally different syntax. We're not competing, fighting. हमें वो औकात ही नहीं है to fight with Salman Khan or Race. We are actually very happy for filmmakers who have made a tiny little film, which we are very gratified to Netflix for, who have accepted our film with open arms. And we are not competing with anyone. We don't have the right to compete with the magnitude of Salman Khan. I mean, Race is like, I'll probably be going to see Race on the 15th and not Lust Stories. If you can communicate, because you are our family as well, and if you really put this out there, it'll help us all.
काम आया तो फैमिली बना लिया इसने.
Release. It's all about loving all of you.
आलाप is going on.
क्या कंगना रनौत भी शो पर आने वाली है? Will she be invited? It's an anonymous question.
I'm sure if Star Plus invites Kangana Ranaut, I'm sure that we will be very happy to have her. Yeah, why not? And we are, हमारा दिल बड़ा है, हमारा घर खुला है, और हम चाहते हैं कि हम चाहते हैं कि जो भी हम इनवाइट अगर न्योता भेजें तो हम हंसते खेलते उनका स्वागत करेंगे, बहुत इज्जत के साथ, प्रेम और स्नेह के साथ.
हमें सू नहीं करना, ये गाना
मत करना. बहुत सारे हमारे वैसे केसेस हैं. I can't handle any more legal matters for no reason. I beg you. I don't want to be sued again.
कंगना रनौत ने हाल ही में कहा कि करण जौहर सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टार किड को लॉन्च करते हैं, तो आप क्या मानते हैं? आपने उनके साथ में काम भी किया है.
उन्होंने अब तक किस किस को लॉन्च किया है? सिर्फ स्टार किड्स ही है ना?
हाँ.
तो वो आरोप थोड़ी है, वो तो सच है. उन्होंने सच बात बोली, बट करण ने बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स को भी लॉन्च किया है, जो जैसे शशांक खेतान, जो मेरे बहुत ही क्लोज मित्र है. ही इज फ्रॉम नासिक. उनका कोई लेना देना नहीं था फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से. ही वाज जस्ट अ बॉय हु केम विद अ ड्रीम. उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट दी, करण को पसंद आई, एंड करण सेड आई बिलीव इन दिस बॉय, लेट्स डू इट. एंड उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई. बट एक बात, करण ने गिप्पी फिल्म बनाई थी. He launched a girl in that film.
Right.
Correct. जो चिंकी ने डायरेक्ट की थी. गिप्पी. He did.
And Siddharth.
Okay. And सिद्धार्थ थोड़ी ना इंडस्ट्री से है भाई. शकुन भी नहीं है. But to a fair extent, what she's saying is right. I think this whole matter just got blown up. I think she was just trying to get a point across. वो अपने तरीके से कुछ बोलना चाहती थी, और फिर लोगों ने बहुत खींच तान लिया. It's cool. होता रहता है. It's like I said, I think हम लोग एक fraternity है.
Advise people to not do is PDA. It's the most unbearable thing when people are in a relationship. I'm like, get a room, go to the toilet, go to the washroom, do it in any other place, not in front of the whole world. We don't want to see you smothering each other's faces in public. It's really annoying.
I have to say,
Have you driven by reclamation?
So basically the last few rows, समझ गए?
Those guys in the dark, we're going to put the
light on you. It's easy to say also on some degree, but there's a lot of people who don't have anywhere to go.
No, it may be so, and that I understand. But the people I've seen indulge in PD
They have
have many
something.
places to go. You know, and I want to tell you, why do you need to hold someone's hand also? Like what? They are fine. They can walk on their own. You know, why are you holding the hand? Unless you need to help them up the stairs or something. She has a bad knee or he has a bad foot or a broken knee. Why are you holding hands? Why are you kissing each other? Why are you playing with each other's hair?
I have a question for Karan here. Why is it upsetting you so much?
It's bloody annoying. I'm like, listen, keep it in your pants.
Who do you call? Because you have problems. You got to call someone. Who do you call?
My conscience.
But so actually, exactly what you're saying. If I could give myself some advice, it would be don't be so clingy. So literally, I think.
Clingy is okay. Chalo, that's exciting. As long as you're not literally physically clinging. That is very annoying. I want to wake up and slap those couples across their face. I can't tell you.
Wow.
I feel deep amounts of violence when I see couples.
Sounds like
फिल्म के दौरान माधुरी से आपने कुछ मराठी सीखी है क्या? फिल्म के दौरान माधुरी
नहीं।
से तो कुछ सीखना चाहेंगे अभी तो
अब जरूर सीखना चाहूंगा. आप मुझे बता दो, मैं बोल दूंगा.
हिरवे हिरवे
हिरवे हिरवे
गार गालीचे.
गार गालीचे. What does that mean?
हरित तृणांच्या मखमालीचे.
Same to you.
मला वाटलं